you, Captain.
The time is 11:32 a.m. Eastern
Very
Daylight
first turn into it, Grace's nose went into a wave, so we don't need that.
You're on the
Nope,
11
not
o'clock
today.
a.m.